Welcome back to Beautyistic. Ever wonder if a single product could address multiple skincare concerns while you sleep? Today, we're talking about the Olay Super Serum Night Repair. A true multitasker, this fragrance-free night serum promises to hydrate, exfoliate even skin tone, reduce dark spots, and fight aging, all in one sleek formula. Let's dive into the key ingredients that make this serum so powerful. First, it contains Olay's activated niacinamide, a skin-loving ingredient known for its ability to brighten and balance the skin's tone. Then there's Peptide, which helps to boost the skin's natural regeneration process, and Salicylic and Lactic Acid, both AHA and BHA derivatives that work together to exfoliate the skin and clear out clogged pores. Finally, Glycerin is included for its moisturizing properties, ensuring that the serum helps lock in hydration while working its magic overnight. I've been using this serum for a couple of weeks now, and the application process couldn't be easier. It has a lightweight, smooth texture that feels super soothing as you massage it into the skin. It absorbs quickly, and there's no sticky or greasy residue left behind. I've used it both alone and layered with my other nighttime products, and it works seamlessly with everything in my routine. In terms of results, I noticed a smoother texture almost immediately after the first few uses. By the end of the first week, my skin appeared more even-toned, and the dark spots I've been working on lightening started to visibly fade. By the second week, I was seeing the effects on the fine lines around my eyes. Nothing drastic, but there was definitely a noticeable softening. As for the anti-aging benefits, it's hard to say just yet, but I'm optimistic after seeing the results so far. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, this serum is incredibly hydrating without being heavy, which is essential for a night serum. The texture is smooth and comfortable, and I love how it works fast. I also appreciate that it's fragrance-free, which is a big plus for sensitive skin. On the downside, I would say that if you're sensitive to acids, the salicylic and lactic acids might feel a bit too strong, especially in the first few uses, so be sure to patch test if you're concerned. Now, as far as value for money goes, Olay has done a good job in delivering a high-performing product that can be used by a wide range of skin types. While the price for this trial size isn't too steep, the full-size version does come with a bit of a higher price tag. But considering the potent ingredients and the visible results, it could very well be worth it if you're looking for an all-in-one serum for evening out your complexion and targeting fine lines. When comparing this serum to others on the market, Olay definitely holds its own. Many other serums may focus on one or two active ingredients, but this product offers a solid blend of ingredients that target multiple skin concerns simultaneously. The inclusion of niacinamide, which is such a sought-after ingredient for brightening, sets this product apart from others that may not include it. As for build quality, the packaging is simple yet functional. The serum comes in a small bottle with a convenient dropper, which makes application easy and mess-free. As for longevity, I'd say that with consistent use, this 0.4 ounce bottle should last you at least a month if you're using it nightly. While I haven't had any direct experience with Olay's customer support, the brand's reputation for being accessible and responsive means you can feel confident in reaching out if needed. Looking for alternatives? If you're hesitant about the price point, there are similar serums with niacinamide and exfoliating acids, like The Ordinary's Niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%, which is an affordable option for addressing skin texture and tone. But remember, Olay's formula blends multiple benefits, which makes it a great multitasking option. In summary, the Olay Super Serum Night Repair delivers on its promises of smoother, brighter skin with visible results in just a couple of weeks. It's a great option for those looking to target dark spots, fine lines, and uneven skin texture, especially if you're someone who prefers an all-in-one product. If you have sensitive skin, it's best to proceed with caution due to the acids, but overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking to enhance their nighttime skincare routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. You can find the link to purchase this product in the description or comments below. If you've tried it, let us know in the comments. how did it work for you? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.